In the first 3 months of this year, stablecoins moved $4.5 trillion. That is more than Visa. Most people can't say what one is. 3.5 minutes, and you will. A stablecoin is a digital token engineered to hold one price, almost always $1, not by promise, by mechanism. For every token in circulation, the issuer holds $1 of reserves, cash and short-term government debt. Anyone eligible can mint new tokens by depositing dollars or redeem tokens back into dollars. That redemption loop is the peg. If it ever trades at 99 cents, traders buy cheap, redeem for a full dollar, and pocket the difference. So the price snaps back. No mechanism, no stablecoin, just a promise with a logo. Why does money keep flowing into a token that, by design, never goes up? Because it moves differently. An ordinary bank transfer takes 1 to 3 business days and stops on weekends. A stablecoin settles in seconds at 3 in the morning on a Sunday across any border for under a cent on modern chains. And it is programmable. Software can hold it, split it, stream it, and reconcile it without a bank in the loop. 4 jobs dominate real usage. Remittances. Sending money home costs 6.5% the traditional way. Stablecoin corridors run under 1. The difference stays with the family, not the middlemen. Business settlement. Paying overseas suppliers in minutes instead of days. Corporate treasury. Moving value between subsidiaries around the clock. And trading, where stablecoins are the cash side of nearly every crypto trade. Who controls all this money? 2 companies. Of 315 billion in circulation, Tether's USDT holds 59% and Circle's USDC 24, 83% between them. $33 trillion moved last year. 2/3 of this year's volume comes from Asia. The part most explainers skip. The risks are specific, not vague. 1. Reserves. A stablecoin is exactly as good as what backs it. If reserves are opaque or illiquid, the peg is decorative. 2. Redemption. If you cannot redeem directly, you depend on someone who can. 3. Protection. This is not a bank deposit. No deposit insurance. If the issuer fails, you are a creditor. Regulators have converged on one rulebook. Europe's MACA regime and the US Genius Act demand the same core: 1-to-1 liquid reserves, monthly published reserve reports, instant redemption. 19 issuers have already cleared Europe's bar. Before trusting any stablecoin, ask 3 questions. Who issues it and under which license? What exactly sits in reserve and who verifies it monthly? And can you or your provider redeem it 1-for-1 on demand? A stablecoin is money that moves like a message. Instant, global, programmable, worth the same tomorrow. That is the whole trick. And it is rewiring how businesses and countries move value. Which raises the real question. Who gets to issue one? 140 companies just formed a coalition. Next video. The 4 paths for a company or a country to launch its own.